Welcome to online classes, students. Okay, so in our EVS class today we are going to discuss about the question answer, some words, and yes, some factors which are given in our book. So open your chapter number 8, plants and their leaves. As we learn, what we learn from this book, you can see on the page number first about the various plants, about their various types, their uses, why yes, the importance of their the plants in our life, the various structure, texture and shape of the leaves, structure and the special trees, right, baobab and the redwood trees. So we learn from this the plants and their leaves. So you can see here is the on the first page, starting of your chapter 57. As I said, we will discuss the importance of plants. So let's discuss about it, that why the plants are important in our life. You can see if we breathe the oxygen that provided by plant. So they are giving us plant. So this question we can relate with our first question, the uses of plants, as the uses of plants which are related to our importance in our life also. So you can simply see plants provide us clean and fresh air to breathe. I have to write the three tips. So you can go through the page number. Yes. Page number 59. Plant help us in different ways. So they provide us clean food, clean air to breathe, and then they provide us food, they provide us shelter to animals and insects in the forest, right, and they are also conserving the soil, they provide us wood, fiber and medicine. So you can see simply what is the importance of plant in our life, because they are only giving us so many things, right. So this is the importance of plants in our life. So come to the point. Okay, what we learn, and we can say we are going to write some hard words from this chapter, right. Take your pencil and yes, essential, numerous, clambers, creepers from page number 57. Then we can do from the 58. Yes, on the 58, knowing is fun, cultivated, right. After cultivated, we can write shrubs, then creepers, provide, conserving, photosynthesis, chlorophyll and beverages. That's all for our hard words. Hope you got it. And yes, come to, as we have done our true and false of this chapter, so we will do today the answers of these questions, right. So first question is, list any 3 uses of plant. So you can see simply here the uses of plants. I have given one point is here, we have to write the 2 more. So you can simply go through the page number 59, second paragraph, uses of plants. So they provide us clean and fresh air to breathe. Second one, they provide us food to eat, right. And third thing is, they provide shelters to animal, insect, right. They are providing they are living in the forest, they are providing so many animals and so many insects are living there, so they are providing shelter to them. So this one is our first question. So let's come on our second one. Write a short note on a special tree. So in this chapter, the 2 trees are given as a special tree, as baobab and redwood tree. So we should write a short note on that particular special trees. So you can see baobab and redwood trees are special trees, right? Special trees. Baobab famous as trees of life. They known as the life of tree. Why? Which provides food, water and shelter to animals and human beings. And redwood is the tallest tree in the world. So, by this short note, we learn about special trees, baobab, and yes, the second one is redwood. Baobab as trees of life, and second, the redwood tree known as the tallest tree in the world, right? So, let's go through the third question. Okay. As you can see from your book that which one is your third question. So you can simply see the third question of is state the difference between the color and the texture of a leaf. So we have to find the difference that what is the texture and what known as leaf, right? So students, as a third question, what is the color and yes, the difference between color and the texture, you can see. State the difference between color and texture. Leaves change their color according to seasons. So you can see when there is a season of the autumn season, they become yellowish, dull, become a dull one. So they become yellowish, and when the spring season comes, they become very green, shiny ones. Okay. So when they are in green, in a green way or in a red way, when they live like a lively leaves. So these are colors. So leaves change color according to the seasons. And yes, the textures of leaf also varies, which means they are also different. How? Because it maybe are so smooth and shiny or hairy. You can take an example of rose leaves. Have you ever touched the leaves of rose? Whenever you touch it, you feel very hairy over it, right? It's not a smooth one, but yes, it's a hairy one. So this one is different. And when we take the other like a tulsi leaf, when we take a tulsi leaf, it's like a smooth one, right? Not shiny one, but it's a smooth one. And some other kind of plants, they having their leaves as the shiny ones. So they having the texture like smooth, shiny and hairy. So by this two sentences, we can know the difference between the texture and the colors, right? Colors like red, yellow, green, the color of your leaves. And yes, if they are smooth, shiny and hairy, that means there is texture on them, right? So you can see in your book there are so many examples are given to us. Okay, so how they are changing their color. Okay, you can see there some examples are given to here, so you can learn from this. So many students take my seriously class seriously, and they paste some leaves, some different kinds of leaf on their blank page as a practical one. So that's look very nice. Thank you students. And yes, come to the next. State any 4 uses of leaves. As we learned that how are the uses of plant, right now we are going to learn about their leaves, how they are important in our life. So let's do this. So firstly, please learn this one. The leaves change their color according to the seasons. And yes, the texture of a leaf is also varies, as it may be smooth and shiny or hairy, right? So students, you can see our fourth question is state any 4 uses of plant. Now we learn about the uses of plants. Now we are going to learn about plants leaves, right? The 4 uses of plants leaves. So you can simply see here, the first one is some leaves can be eaten raw, as cabbage. This is one of the example is cabbage we eat raw, right? So the second one is leaves of neem, basil are used as medicine. We all know that some remedies, in the home remedies, we always use neem for our medicine, right? When we have a problem in our throat, we having problem, some problem in our acne problem, we always use neem, right? So these kind of leaves we use in the medicine. Okay, and then leaves can be also used as plates for eating. As a banana leaf we are using as plate for eating. You can example in South India, right, the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, see these kind of states using the bananas leaf as their plates. So this one is the eco-friendly thing which we can use it, right? So this one is leaves are used to produce eco-friendly colors. In our previous chapter we learned that how can we use of vegetables, right? Spinach, red roots. So by these we are getting colors. So these colors are very eco-friendly. They are not harmful for our skin. These are not harmful for the clothes. So that's why they are known as eco-friendly. Which things never hurt anyone, never worried anything. That is very eco-friendly, right? Which is useful in our environment. We can reuse it. So this one is eco-friendly. So students, in this chapter we learn that plants are important for us. They are a part of our life because they are giving us oxygen, which is essential for our life. We live on the oxygen. So how can we deny that they are important for us? Not those are important for us. Okay. So students, plants and their leaves. We learn that not only plants but their leaves are also very useful. Okay. So in this chapter, please, it's important for us to learn that why plants are the best creature of this earth, right? So hope you all are safe. That's all for today. Thank you students.